Okay, this one is pretty dang easy, folks. You could go just 3 parts for this. You're gonna have a big chunk of clear, you're gonna have white, and you're gonna have black. But I'm gonna add some diamond dust today. That'll be pretty. Man, maybe a little bit of black. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're doing it. Black it is. We got our white dye, black dye, a little bit of black, a little bit of more diamond dust. The rest will be my clear. Boom. So I never use that much clear, but I overmixed. I did the wrong math at the last live with Rhonda, so whoops. But it was a happy accident because I've never really implemented this much clear into my recipes. You don't want to exceed 5% by volume of the white dye. So I do a little bit in, I'll mix, and then I'm checking for opacity. I'm checking to see how opaque it is. I want this to be, you know, whole milk, fully opaque, but I don't want to just cram in a bunch. Yeah, that's counterproductive. Black, little goes a long way. Now you don't want to use black and then mix your diamond dust. It's gonna turn it gray. The black dye and the black mica powders together on a board, it's hard to show on video. It adds like a smoky gunmetal-like look. I just love it. Ooh, look, another opened diamond dust. Look at Mitch being all frugal. Diamond dust. Ooh la la. This stuff's awesome. It's like a chunky yet super fine glitter. I don't understand it. It's awesome. Alrighty, and we're ready to play. Let's go to work. And I'm gonna put some of this down the side so it stays by itself. Oh man, that's cool. Holy cow, that's epic. I don't know why I whisper. Going in deep. Whoa, yikes. Let's make a smoky marble. This might be too fresh. I don't know. Last time it was thick, so we're gonna see what this does for us.